Morning, welcome to Fishing Mad. Here we have our carp accessory box. So you get the box itself, sitting on a picnic bench here, gives you some idea of the size. Inside you'll find there are 6 small boxes for terminal. I'll do this one-handed. Each is different, so you've got one that's 2 compartments, 6 compartments, 8 compartments, 4 compartments, 3 and 1 compartment. The box is neatly arranged with little dividers here that can be moved around. Some are stationary, some move around. And in this long one here you have a hair rig case, complete with foam and small pins. Go. And pins are in here. Nice foam for your hair rigs.